We want to make the tours of the tourists who come to the vineyards or the cellars to visit. We can make it more easy for the people, like the invalid. We can make one elevator or one vehicle for visit the cellar without moving. And we can buy bicycles to move to the cellar to the vineyard. And at the finish we'll make one label with one photo of the visitor and we'll give to them. And some ideas is rent bikes so tourists can go from the cellars to the vineyards. Make small bottles of wine so that they can be imported to your country as a record. Make a vehicle or something for the invalid people. Make one elevator for the people who is it hurt from the legs or is old. How we can make the tours be more funny for the kids and for everyone? We want that because we saw that all the tours we went, we seen the kids like it one it didn't like that because it was for the old people. But we want to change that, and we want that all the kids can like the tours from the vineyards and cellars, making little games or stories for the children, and in this way more people can come to our tours. Come here to visit Batea and its vineyards and cellars. It's a very beautiful village and has many very places to visit. Come here now. Don't waste time. Bye.